Hello students, this is Mandeep Singh and today I'm gonna give you a complete information about Duolingo English Test which has become a common topic in these days and many students ask questions regarding this test. The first question is, what is this test, or we can say what is Duolingo English Test? Duolingo is an English efficiency assessment test that can be taken from home. So, like the IELTS, Duolingo is also the test that is conducted to check your proficiency in English. It means this test also works as the IELTS test that is conducted to check how well English you can speak, read, write, or listen. Next, we see some other important information about this test. First of all, this test is available online and can be taken from home. It means you don't need to go to any IELTS test center for this test. If we see the timing of this exam, we can say that this test is completely different from IELTS, as IELTS takes almost 3 to 4 hours when you sit for an exam, while the Duolingo English test needs only 60 minutes to be completed. You just have to sit in front of your computer while giving this exam for 60 minutes, and in 60 minutes you will complete all your 4 modules. But there is a difference. Unlike the English IELTS test, there is no any section. It means you have to complete all 4 sections like listening, reading, speaking and writing in one go. You will see multiple questions regarding reading, listening, writing and speaking, and there will be no any particular section for each module. Number third, there are no many opportunities in a month to take this exam, as this test can be taken only twice a month. Next, if we talk about the results, this test is completely different from IELTS. This test takes only 48 hours and your result is declared within 48 hours. You don't have to wait for a long time period for your result. You just get your result within 48 hours of its completion. One thing is more important, that your test result is directly sent to the college or university where you plan to take admission, so there is no any extra cost for this. You can send your result to as many institutes as you want. So this was the basic information about this test. Now we will see what are the requirements if you wanna take this test. So as you know, this test can be taken from home, so you must have a quiet room or space, which is most important for your test, as there should be no any disturbance to you, otherwise you can lose your time during the exam. Next, you must have a computer or laptop with a webcam, because you will be completely watched through the camera of your laptop or computer. Number third, you must have a stable internet connection, which is very important while taking this exam. A stable internet connection can help you to take this exam smoothly. So you must make sure that your internet connection is stable. Last but not least, you must have a speaker or headphone for listening purpose, as you have to listen different questions. So you must have a speaker or headphone for better understanding. Also, a microphone is necessary for your speaking, as you have to speak there. So a microphone, speaker or headphone are necessary for this exam. So these are the all requirements for this exam. Next, we see the fees structure. If we see the fees, we can say the fees is relatively lower than the IELTS exam. You just have to pay almost 4 times less fees than that of IELTS test. Well, the fees of this test is 49 US dollars. It means if we see it in Indian rupees, we can say you just have to pay 3 3300 to 3600 rupees for this exam. So this is a very big difference between IELTS and Duolingo. The fees is very low. So this is again a benefit for you. Finally, the most important thing which can be a concern for of many students, that is acceptance, whether this test is accepted or not. Well, the answer to this question is that this test is widely accepted, and in Canada or US, this test is being accepted by numerous institutes where you can complete your further study. So I don't think you need to take any tension about this. This test is accepted widely. So this was the complete information about the Duolingo English test. If you have any question, you can comment below and I will try to answer every your question. And if you want to get information about the colleges or universities that accept this test, you can comment below. I will definitely make a video on it and help you to understand whether your college or institute accepts it or not. Hope you would have understood all the information. Thank you.